Good morning, good evening, wherever you're at in the world. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Theory. Guys, where you been? Where you been? Where you been? You miss me? Guys, where have I been? I've been right here, guys. I was here a few hours ago. Obviously, we're giving you an update on prices. We're giving you an update on more than just prices here, guys, on the channel on Cryptocurrency Theory. We're updating our software, guys, to the new world. Welcome. How you doing? We're back. Looking at prices, guys. Looking at coins. I brought this up earlier, guys, on Bitcoin Supreme. I don't know if you guys watched the Sunday wrap-up show, but do that on Sundays. But we're also looking at prices today. Guys, look at this. I just want you to see kind of what's going on here, right? I want you to understand, yes, altcoins are going to go up. Please calm down. Do not get too excited. They're already going up. I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to explain why on the channel. All right? So, guys, if you're not subscribed, check us out here. We're doing a Sunday night live stream back on Cryptocurrency Theory where we cover crypto-related topics. Guys, I changed the section of the show, just to let you know. I'm putting it under the entertainment category. It doesn't really fit the tech science category. And, you know, there's not many categories on YouTube I can put this chat in. But nonetheless, I'm putting it in the entertainment. I don't know if this is entertaining. Mr. Fool, what's good? Waiting on alt season. I think we all are. Mr. Fool. So that's kind of why I'm on here, guys. I wanted to discuss some of these altcoins that are moving on Sunday night. Not really specific so much the particular coin, guys. Don't forget, when you come to the chat, don't get fixated on the title. You know, don't come in here thinking I'm going to be, you know, switching my positions and all of a sudden I'm running into these positions as the prices are going up. It's not what's happening. We're covering this stuff on a timeline basis, basically. What that means is we pick up right where we just left off, where we just were a few hours ago. Right? And I don't like to leave everybody hanging too long. That's obviously why I'm on here. And we got SheepX Bunny. What's good? Rent is due soon. I can't wait to pay my rent. I love paying my rent, guys. It's one of the beauties of being a renter. You get to pay rent each month and never own anything. So we got Sheep Bunny. We got Mr. Fool. You know, in the chat. I don't know if that chat's big enough. Maybe I should enlarge it a little bit. That way, show up a little bit better. But yeah, guys, we got prices moving into Sunday. So we're checking out these prices. We're checking out these coins simply because we're trying to find timelines, guys. We're trying to find timelines for this stuff. So if we don't have timelines, we have nothing. So if you'd rather have nothing, that's exactly that. Nothing. We have the timelines. Holy motherfucking shit, guys. Holy motherfucking shit. Do you see what's going on here? Does anybody see Binance coin? It's at $527, guys. Breaking crypto news. Like, holy shit. What happened to Binance coin? Holy Hogwarts. Guys, when did this happen? Was this is just happening? We're just not covering enough of Binance coin. Look at this. We're up over $527, guys. And I hate to bring up bad news here, guys, but isn't CZ supposed to have his sentencing here in like the end of the month or April or something like that? See if I can get a little update on this. Binance finally revealed its headquarters. Let's peek into Binance, guys. Something's going on here. Something is going on here. Don't be alluded to. I'm not seeing any news on here, guys, honestly. You know, I was looking for some kind of breaking crypto news, but it looks like it's not likely going to happen. So we got Binance coin, guys, hovering over 527 US dollars. So obviously, you know, with this coin, guys, I've been telling you, this is the coin that I was literally looking at, knowing I should have bought at $8. And what a freaking mess up that was. Oops. Can't get them all, right? Absolutely insane, guys. I didn't see Binance coin rising this fast this week. After that drop on the 5th, I just did not see this. See if we can give you another update. We saw some coins up, guys. This District0x coin. It was up today. You know, really, guys, the thing with this coin specifically is not so much me trying to dive into it. I know a lot of people in the chat have been wanting me to dive into certain coins like Quant, Render, all these coins. the thing is, guys, is I want you to understand something. When I go to try to look up some of these coins, I get a little bit frustrated when I'm having to learn about a coin when I know that for me, the main part of the coins aren't really what I want. Okay. And again, that has nothing to do with price. Obviously, some of these coins are doing fantastic. Ethereum, ERC20 tokens, District0x today up, DNT ticker up 113%, registering solid gains. And guys, the reason I'm zooming out on this is because I want you to see like how do you time, this type of stuff. Look at this. Just absolutely insane. It just broke out of basically the entire year. It's up basically 300% in this one little spike just today. Like literally, this is just today. I want you to understand this is a major jump on some of these altcoins. If we look back here, this ERC20 token, these are the kind I tell you guys, if you guys are looking into going into ERC20 tokens, you want to go in the ones that have been tested, try and true. There's no guarantee any of these coins are always going to be around or always have marketplaces for them. But for me, I'd rather see an ERC20 token that's been around for a while, even if it's something like, that some people will say are dead projects like Augur, or just, District0x. They're obviously not dead because within a quick little moment here, these coins can turn around. I mean, they really can turn around big time. Guys, if you're not subscribed, check us out here on the channel. Whoa, it looks like Augur has... This is what I'm saying, guys. Let's remember today's date on March 10th, 2024. We're looking at Augur crypto, guys. And right now, I just want to do a little price check here. $1.29. Okay? $1.29. We're gonna remember Augur being at $1.29, guys. So let's just see. I mean, these coins might be dead, even though they're trading on about 10 different exchanges here. But not looking good, not looking too good on some of these coins. But again, these coins might be the buy zone, guys. These coins might be in the buy zone. These might be the coins that people are piling in on and getting, 20, 30x gains. If you guys are looking into ERC20 tokens, I mean, you just got to do your research. You can't expect to get it all of them. I mean, it's like saying you're going to go to the casino and you're going to win every single time you go. It's just unrealistic. It's not a matter of probability. It's just downright unrealistic, guys. So, these ZRX guys, same thing. These ERC20 tokens have gone back all the way to, basically when I got into crypto, and they're still trading and doing fairly well, right? All right, guys, drop it in the chat, guys. If you're live with us, we're live on Cryptocurrency Theory, live on the channel, live on the chat, guys, on a Sunday evening. Yeah. Hey, guys, what's good? SheepX is saying time to sell some BCH. I'm not selling. I'm gonna hold. I'm not selling any of my coins. How's your BSV doing? BSV is doing pretty good, actually. In fact, I think the payment coins, guys, are actually in for a pump here relatively soon, guys. Payment coins in general. We've seen Litecoin being undervalued recently. We've seen Dash kind of creep up. We've seen Bitcoin Cash go up to $530. And let's look at BSV, since Sheep Bunny wants to look at it. Let's take a peek at it, see how it's doing. And yeah, I mean, it's looking pretty good, guys. It's up, I think, over 200%. It's up about a 10x from its recent all-time low where we hit about $14. That's up about 8x, 8x. It really just depends on where you guys get in these coins. A lot of times, this stuff's really hard to time, guys. People generally aren't good at timing the markets. And the reason for this is, guys, is because it's just so damn hard to do. Here, guys, with the majority of these coins, you're not going to time every single one. It's silly to think you're going to. We saw the pump on here on BSV. We were talking about it on the channel with Joshua Hensley, guys, back in May. We saw this pump. We went down, and then we dropped down, guys, all the way to $14. Can you imagine having money on the sidelines ready to pile in right here? I don't know if anybody did, honestly. Like, I wonder who gets in at these lower prices. Is it just the exchanges, you think? You guys think it's just the crypto exchanges getting in at these low prices? I don't know why you're so angry all the time, SheepX. I mean, I see your disappointment. You might make 20K on SHIB. Just diversify. That's all I'm saying. Diversify into coins that are, have potential. And some of these coins do, guys. There's been so many people, guys, in crypto over the time I've been in crypto that just, they just trash talk Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV, Dash, Zcash, saying, oh, these coins are dead, these communities are dead. Guys, if the communities are dead, don't you think the coin would look a lot more reminiscent of, like, I don't know, BitConnect or, Terra Luna or any of these? And yeah, the coins have gone down, guys, but Bitcoin SV and Bitcoin, some of these coins are actually not really down too much because, when we pull them up on log, which we'll do right now, we see that, like, these coins aren't really down that much. Even if they're down relative to what? Where they were created, it's like where are you looking at these coins? When you look at log, guys, look, I think BSV is just warming up. I think we could go to 500 pretty soon. That's just me. That's a 5x or 4x from where we're at now. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Do you think these numbers are possible for these coins? I mean, a lot of people are pricing, this coin kind of unbounded. Like, it can go up as much as the market decides, which is, in the case of here recently over the last just 6 months. I mean, really, we're only talking about 6 to 8 months. We've seen like an 8x pump, guys. And it's like, are we breaking out? That is the question. Are we breaking out right this second? SheepX is all in Doge. I still think Jasmine is going to go up 50x. I mean, here's the thing, guys. Jasmine is the Japanese Bitcoin. Here's the thing with these altcoins. Jasmine, Bitcoin SV. We're just going to have to see how they play out. We have no choice, honestly. I mean, we have no choice at this point. All right, we have no choice but to see how these coins do. If we try to start switching communities, switching coins, at this point, guys, don't you think it's a little stupid? It's better just to go in to crypto with new money every single time, because the whole idea, I think, with crypto, guys, isn't so much getting in on the best coin. It's just getting as much dollars in to the best coins you can, right? The best ones. I tell you guys, there's a lot of people that will only buy one coin. SheepX is all you need is Doge, but I mean, at the end of the day, if you only have Doge, you're only going to have exposure to Doge losses and gains. Yeah, that might be great. Actually, Doge has actually been doing badass recently. But the thing is, guys, is when they don't, right? The thing is when the coins don't do as good as you think or go down more. You want to be diversified a little bit. I think just to have a few different varieties of coins. I mean, it's better to support multiple projects anyways, in my opinion. That's how crypto has gotten to where it's been thus far. Even though the crypto alt market is only about a third of the overall crypto market. That doesn't really say a lot, guys, for us. If all the coins are, if we're in this market and, the market cap is 2.6 trillion, we're still same thing. 30% basically is the altcoin market. Not a lot. Not a lot of cash to go around to 2 million coins. And we just got to see how they're going to do. I mean, we don't know. It's impossible, and it's just outright loony to try to predict one coin and one coin only. I mean, from the stuff I've seen, guys, I don't remember anybody talking about Solana back in 2019. I don't remember anybody talking about it. And I was, I was into crypto, guys. So actually, I'm sorry. Looks like Solana wasn't even created then. April 2020. I didn't hear about Solana, guys, until it was like, already going up. And that's what I'm saying. You're not going to hear about these coins because if you start digging for coins that are tokens that you think are, killing it or going to kill it, they're all doing that, guys. All these tokens are. You realize like all of them have a Twitter? Do you realize like all of them have an email list? you know, a marketing campaign of sorts. And my question to you is as a crypto holder, somebody who's into crypto, don't you think it makes a little bit of sense to ask yourself why you're in these particular coins? You know, what is the reason you're in these type tokens? Because if it's just for the price going up, guys, you're not going to be able to do it every time. You know, you're not going to be able to do that every single time. You're eventually going to get wrecked, right? You're eventually going to get wrecked. So you got to keep in mind the coins that you hold are the coins that you're going to want to ongoingly buy. So you don't want to try to think, oh, well, you know, I'm into this coin. Like somebody wanted me to go, I'll give you an example today, actually. This is a relative example. A lot of people, guys, have been wanting me to cover quant. Okay. I might get around to doing it. I might not, because when I tried to look into it today, I became seemingly frustrated when I think the gains are only going to be 3 to 5x, when I think there's better opportunity out there for people coming into crypto, right? I'm not saying quant's a bad project. I'm not saying I don't know people that bought it at 200, because I do. I know what I'm talking about, but I don't want to waste your time. And that is the main thing that we're doing on the channel. So let's stop wasting time, basically. Stop wasting time with talking about projects and coins that are obviously going up. But again, I'm just not, other than the price, we just kind of watch it, guys. We just kind of watch these prices, you know, have a little bit of fun with it, and not try to risk too much allocation to any specific coin. Because if we're jumping in on every single coin that's going up, I might as well go to the casino like I do and just put my money into a machine that I know I'm going to lose on, because that's exactly what's happening, right? In a lot of cases, especially when big time market makers come in here and wipe out a majority of people's positions that just aren't really solid positions anyways. You know, these people, you know, come in and hold a coin for a minute and they'll sell it at a loss. Some people come in and make money off coins and then sell them. But I feel and I think that most of these crypto exchanges have this shit on lock, because, guys, they have the majority of the coins. It's like a market maker that you're trying to play, you know, different types strategies with the derivatives markets on Wall Street. Yeah, there are people that do that. Yes, there are great traders out there. I'm not discrediting anybody that doesn't have the ability to do it. I'm just saying, guys. I think the percentages of losers to winners is a greater number. You know, I think more people are losing on these than gaining, and I think it has to do with pretty much every coin. A lot of people say a lot of stuff, guys, and you know, it doesn't matter if it's true or not. But in a lot of cases, I've seen a lot of people fabricate and blow things out of proportion. And, you know, these people, you know, do this with most things that they have, right? Whether it's crypto or, you know, they drive a financed fucking Lamborghini that they can't afford. So it's the same mindset, guys. If you want to have success in crypto, you're going to have to get serious. You're going to have to fucking get serious with your money. Because if you're just being, you know, relaxed with it and you just jumping in on some of these coins every once in a while, yeah, I mean, you can fucking go down to your local casino and drop, you know, $50 on a blackjack hand, or, you know, I've seen people drop thousands of dollars, you know, at a blackjack table in 15 minutes. I've seen people sit down next to me on a casino machine and take $100 bills as I'm sitting in there playing with fucking $5 and $10 bills, sit there and just throw in 100 after 100, max bet, max bet, max bet. They're gone in 5 minutes. They spent $700. I've seen stuff like that, guys. So don't be fooled. I'm not saying that this type mindset won't work. I'm not saying you can't go into these specific coins. You might have great success, but I would say likely 9 out of 10 people probably don't. And if you're in that other 9, that's going to pretty much suck, because you're going to lose you're going to lose your money. You're going to lose your crypto, which is worse than losing your money, because crypto is money, guys. That's the thing. So we're seeing a little bit of rebound on prices, guys. And keep in mind, the market caps on these coins have grown, right? We're at $466 billion for Ethereum, guys. Bitcoin's going up to 2 trillion now. Tether, 100 billion. That's what I'm saying. If you look at some of these coins that are lower on the radar, guys, it doesn't take much, much of really anything, guys. We're at $4,000 if Bitcoin Cash is at 80 billion. Can you guys see Bitcoin Cash theoretically at $80 billion? That's only a little bit more than Solana. You know, it's only double XRP. It's only a little bit right there at Binance Coin now. Which coins are going to do it, guys? We've seen them. Guys, you remember when Cardano was literally under $1 billion? That's what I'm saying. Like, Cardano's back up to almost $1, 70 cents. $25 billion market cap. Dogecoin, same thing. 24 billion. Absolutely insane, guys. Absolutely insane. Guys, drop it in the chat. We're live on the channel. Live on the chat. Live on cryptocurrency theory. Yeah, Sunday night hangout, I guess. As I chug water down my esophagus. Kind of creeping into these prices, guys. Not really a lot going on, it doesn't look like. Not a ton of action going on, but that doesn't mean a ton of action isn't coming, guys. Looks like WorldCoin is down 17%. That's what I'm saying, guys. Check this shit out. I tell you guys not to jump in on these coins going up like this. It's just basically just dumb. Just pick a few coins that haven't gone up, you know, and believe in them. You know, believe they will go up instead of jumping in. Like, guys, can you imagine getting in on WorldCoin at fucking $11, over $11, even up to fucking $12? It's down to $9. You just lost 30% of your money. You almost lost 30% of your money, guys, already. You know, and these things spike up really fast. If we actually zoom out on WorldCoin, like, good luck if it goes back down to $5, $6. It's gonna wipe a lot of people out, guys. That's all I'm saying. And guys, it might go to $100. You know, look at the flip side. That's what I'm saying. The dice rolls a certain way with these coins, and you're not gonna get them all. That's all I'm saying. You're not gonna get all the gains. You're not gonna get all the losses if you play smart. But you know, some of these habits, guys, are just stupid. You know, like these people. Like, if you got in at $11, I'm not making fun of you. I'm not putting you down, even though it sounds that way. I'm just trying to get you to wake up and ask yourself why you're going in on these coins as they're going up. Why are they so much more exciting as they've gone up? Like, why is everybody buying Ajax token now that it's up? Why is everybody buying Fetch AI now that it's up? Because that's how it's designed, guys. That is how this stuff is designed. That is how the mindset is designed. If you're not in the mindset of disattaching the euphoric feeling, it's only a matter of time, guys, before you either sell out short, which is the worst thing to do, guys, and I'm coming from experience, and or buy in too late. Meaning you buy in at the top. You know, I'm the first one to say it, guys. It's always a good time to buy crypto, but you really start thinking about that. There are definitely better times than, you know, others, right? Tron, guys, absolutely killing it as well. Let's go back down to the chat here, see if things have simmered down. Hi. Alan in the chat. Alan, welcome, Alan. Glad you could make it in here. I think AVAX is going to go up. I think AVAX is going to go up in price. You know, we were talking about this the other day, guys, is the broader 10x market push. And what I mean by that is I think a lot of the coins in the top 100 are going to do close to a 10x. Even if they do a 4 to a 10x, you got to think, guys, that is a lot of gains in a short amount of time on a lot of people's backs. That is going to create the by design, the environment that we want in crypto, which is basically attention not only on the space, but money coming into the space. And right, and I've always talked about crypto being this black hole that money will eventually just go into either way. You know, whether stocks become tokenized. We got Jay landing in the chat. I mean, you know, things are pumping. That's what I'm saying, guys. We get people like Jay in here, and we have different relative ideas of, in his eyes, everything's pumping right now. But for me, I think coins are just kind of running a bit sideways up relative to BTC. We're really not really gaining a lot of positions on BTC. You know, even though the dominance is staying the same, it's really just kind of keeping these coins kind of situated in place as we rise on dollars. Obviously, the whole market's experienced dollar increase. But when we start looking at, you know, failing currencies around the world, guys, you could say that, you know, a lot of these coins have already superseded their all-time highs, you know, over and over and over again. You know, we've looked at that chart in the bear market. Even when Bitcoin Cash is in the bear market, you know, against the Chilean peso, against the Argentinian peso, it's still, you know, had massive growth because of the inflation, guys. That's what I'm saying. A lot of these coins in the top 100 are going to act as, you know, price go up because of these dollars are going to be essentially chasing these coins. That's the thing. The less you get away from the top 100, I'm not saying those coins aren't going to do good. I'm just saying I'm going to bet likely those are going to be more for people that wanted more of a gambling type experience, right? Not really so much a, I mean, I guess they're buy and hold, and, you know, some people hold these stuff, but I would say more of like a gamble, right? Because look, Jasmine is on 101. So, you know, we're seeing a lot of coins. Sia coin was up today as well. Raven coin, you know, Raven coin, guys, a lot of people, when I make videos on Raven coin, I don't know if you guys hold this coin, this mineable crypto. I don't know. Do you guys hold this coin? Drop it in the chat if you hold Raven coin. I made a video about it. It's been probably about a year. But, you know, we were talking about Raven coin and some other different coins here that you guys wanted me to cover. I don't really remember too much about it, but it seems to have an active community. And, you know, the price is pretty attractive for people, guys. It's at 2 cents, 3 cents. People like owning an entire coin, all right? Yeah, you're not gonna always have a bull market, Jay. I mean, I'm assuming, obviously, if prices go back down, you know, anticipate the channel to go down as well. You know, the channel gets action based on the market, guys. I mean, I made videos back 2 years ago as we went into a bull market. If I'd have kept doing videos then, guys, I'd probably have a decent amount of people watching this channel, but, you know, I didn't. And we've seen these markets go up and balloon up, and then we've seen them shrink down. And when they shrink down, guys, you know, operating this channel is basically, you know, it's just nothing happening because people only like jumping into crypto as the price is going up. They can't register in their brains that some of the best and most opportunistic moments in crypto is when we're on here and nobody's even in the chat, when it's literally just me talking to myself. But Jay, you're right. I mean, it's better than having nobody in here, which we've done a lot of times where, you know, it's like the chat is like 3 people. You know, there's not a lot of people in here right now, but obviously the prices aren't shooting up. And when they were shooting up the other day, we had quite a bit more people in the chat, which is obviously directly correlated in the price going up. So I anticipate that probably won't change. You know, I'm expecting the channel to speed up, slow down, relative to its current size. But I also have a couple tricks up my sleeve, guys. Don't you think that I also have a little bit of tricks up my sleeve that are basically going to get people into crypto? That's the whole idea, guys, is if people come to this channel and they come to crypto and they actually learn about this stuff and they actually follow this stuff on a daily basis, they actually start learning about it outside of the channel too, which is that's how I do this channel purposely, guys. That's exactly what I do. I kind of leave enough up to you to want to go out and learn more about these coins. I'm not trying to give you every little thing, just because I'm constantly learning, guys, about every little thing on these coins. That's what I'm saying. Maybe we'll do an update on Raven coin, just because I know a lot of people want me to cover it. I'm just getting a lot of attention along with these other coins like, you know, Quant. But again, sometimes I go to start looking into these guys and I'm like, I get why people like them. You know, I get why, you know, the community's there. I get why people are into it. But is it something I really want to cover? You know, if I'm just covering stuff I don't really want to cover, you know, that might not be the best thing for this channel, guys, because, you know, it's not going to, I'm not going to be wanting to cover it. So it's going to be pointless, right? Yeah, you've been here, Jay. You've been here. I do agree you've been here, guys. Stellar Lumens, guys. I was talking to a friend of mine recently. I don't know, he might be in the chat, maybe not. But if you are in the chat, Valentino, shout outs to you. If you're in the chat, we're talking about Stellar Lumens. We were talking about it the other week. It kind of did kind of go down, up and down. It's been kind of run sideways along with the other action, guys. I mean, we're not giving you a TA here, but overall, the month is looking pretty solid. The year is looking at maybe breakout like a lot of coins. I mean, guys, if Stellar Lumens goes up to about 20, you know, if it doubles and goes to 26 cents, that's why we're talking about here recently about this price doubling thing. I even saw something where Anthony Pompilano, where he hasn't, I don't think he does crypto stuff anymore, but he was popping up on my YouTube on CNBC. He looked a bit older, so I'm assuming it's recent, about, you know, price doubling. And this is kind of what I was already kind of thinking about before I even saw this article. This was recently. We've been talking about it on the channel here for weeks now. If we get this price doubling action at the current rate of where people are currently at in these positions, it's going to be a little bit of a wake-up call, because, you know, Stellar Lumens goes to 30 cents. Lumens is all back on the radar, in my opinion. If some of these other coins double, you know, Bitcoin Cash, we're at $800. We add fucking 200 to BSV. We got $1,000 market cap, or $1,000 coin between both those forks, and that's just one thing, right? That's just one thing. So, guys, drop it in the chat. Let me know. We're gonna probably wrap it up here, coming into the latter part of the chat. But if you guys got anything else, I just wanted to pop up on here, guys, because District0x, which now I don't even see it's up right now, but you know, we're talking about it this morning, and it is a coin that just random times, guys. Look, it's down 7% right now. So if you guys rushed into this, Bitcoin Gold shedding a little bit too. Looks like Bitcoin Gold's kind of slid down from $65. I mean, what a week for Bitcoin Gold. What a fucking week for Bitcoin Gold. So, yeah, see, look, 24-hour... the 24-hour clock on World Coin Index must have just switched, guys, because we're now down 8% on District0x and almost 4% on GALA. And when we first did this chat, go back and see, just 30 minutes ago, these coins were up over 100% on District0x, and GALA was up, I think, like 20 or 40% or something. So, you know, absolutely crazy, guys, and this is what I keep talking about. This volatility is going to wipe most people out as these coins climb. And look, Sia coin's charging up right now. So what time is it? Yeah, did you guys know we had a time change yesterday? My brother told me about that. I did not even realize when I woke up at fucking 9 why it was so late. I mean, usually Sundays I'll sleep in a bit, but I was like, what the fuck? Why did I sleep till 9? But Sia coin edging up, guys. And as you see, that dip right here, it was that little... panic sell we experienced last week on the 4th or 5th. I can't remember. Probably the 4th or 5th. Yep. Yep, 5th right there. And Sia coin charging up right now. So put Sia coin on the radar for tomorrow. And looks like Chainlink climbing a bit. Let's put Waves back on the Let's put Waves back on the radar, guys. Let's kind of track Waves. I'm kind of curious, you know, with everything kind of going on in the world. What Waves token how Waves token will behave. So let's put Waves token on the radar for this week to just kind of watch out. Again, guys, I'm not telling you guys to go out and buy these, so please don't, you know, shuffle the context of what we're talking about here. What else do we want to put on the radar? So yeah, Siacoin and Waves token. Let's watch Chainlink too. I have a feeling, guys, one or two of these coins is gonna. Yep, look, Chainlink's already kind of maybe be this coin. One of these coins might be one of these doubling things, and what that's going to do, guys, is there's going to be a large amount of people that are going to experience this double. All right, and then it's going to be pretty insane. I mean, I know we're already up from $6. You know, I'm saying doubling from $20. We're then up from 8x. So it's hard to rationalize, guys, but I do think it's going to happen. And I'm not saying Chainlink. I'm saying the whole freaking crypto market, guys. Recap on Zcash. Yeah, I'll do a recap on Zcash real quick. Do a little update on Zcash. Zcash was a little bit more aggressive on the move, guys. Just, you know, as this bull market started about a month ago, I would say. You know, when Zcash was down at $20, the market started moving about a month ago. Is when we kind of started, you know, noticing the market kind of moving. And Zcash was one of the first ones, guys, to move. That's why, you know, we're covering Zcash right now. I'm giving you a recap. If you've been gone for the last month, not following prices, Zcash was one of the first ones to start moving. Obviously, the rest of the market has kind of moved as well. Some of coins have exceeded Zcash, but it was interesting to see Zcash kind of go down with Monero, go down with Dash, you know, with this privacy thing going on, and then kind of go up, one of the first ones to recover. So this was one of the first coins to recover, but also it was one of the better, faster moving coins at that 30% gain. I don't know how much we're up for the month on Zcash, but basically, you know, it's aggressively came up, but in the more recent, I would say, week or even maybe 10 days, it's kind of been kind of in balance with just kind of the overall crypto market kind of going up, not really, you know, more towards the conservative side at the moment. But like I said, we do have to realize that just a month ago, when the market first initially started moving, Zcash was one of the first ones to start really kind of aggressively start moving up. And like I said, it's definitely slowed down, I would say, over the last week or 10 days in terms of like keeping that upward momentum in speed, you know, and momentum and size on the initial, you know, the initial start of this little bull run that we put ourselves in, based on the BTC price and the overall crypto market cap. So we'll wrap it up there, guys. We'll definitely be covering Zcash ongoingly. So definitely keep an eye out. Maybe we'll probably do some more Zcash stuff here in the next week. And yeah, we'll catch you guys later. Take care.